New law takes effect next week aimed at clarifying how many drivers arrested for DUI are actually impaired by marijuana and other drugs. You see, right now, every drug driving arrest is lumped into one category. Sean Boyd live in Denver with the details for us tonight. Sean?
Well, Karen, each year for the last 4 years, we know that fatalities on our roads have increased, but we don't know why, because police don't separate which drug or combination of drugs are involved in DUIs. Starting next month, they will.
Losing a child is something that no parent should ever have to endure.
When Ed Wood's son was killed by two women sharing the wheel while on marijuana and methamphetamine, he thought it couldn't get any worse. Then came the trial. They were charged with death from careless, not drug-impaired driving.
The laws that we currently have in place make it very difficult for victims to see justice. That has to be fixed.
Wood says too often drivers under the influence of drugs other than alcohol aren't prosecuted for DUI, and most law enforcement agencies lump all DUIs together, making it impossible to know which drugs are the biggest problems.
If you don't know what the real problem is, you're going to come up with the wrong solution.
State Representative Jonathan Singer worked with Wood to pass a law addressing that.
We need to do a better job of understanding what it is in Colorado that's creating these traffic fatalities. Is it DUI because of alcohol? Is it DUI because of marijuana, meth, prescription painkillers?
The law taking effect this month requires police to report DUI cases by drug to the state legislature. For Singer, the issue became personal last year when a good friend lost his stepdaughter, Peyton Knowlton, hit by a driver who tested for marijuana and alcohol but was under the legal limit, and so again, not charged with DUI.
And to sit there and to listen to friends of Peyton's and talk about how they're going to miss their best friend. It doesn't have to be that way.
In addition to requiring police to report which drugs are involved in DUIs, the law also requires prosecutors to report charges filed in those cases and which ones resulted in convictions. It takes effect August 9th. Live in Denver, Sean Boyd, CBS 4 News.